I'm annoying. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. My name is JaLeah if you're new here. Some things I want to say really quick before we get into the video. 3 things. Number 1, look at my hair. Who's bald head? Whom is bald head? Whomst has no hair. Not me. I don't know the meaning of the word. I'm clearly a head full of hair right now. Period. I'm about 6 months since my last haircut. I don't know why I'm feeling myself with my hair so much right now. I was supposed to like suck it back into a ponytail so I could do this video, but I was like, no, let me like do my makeup and like feel this for once. This never happens. I've never worn my hair out, so that's a whole thing. So yeah, lip check. Period. It ain't go all the way back in, but who cares? Number 2, second thing I have to say, frequency music. Y'all know I want the best for y'all. I'm all about like keeping it bag, telling y'all like what's working for me in my life and all that shit. Frequency music, changing my life, making it better. I go to sleep with it on, I wake up with it on, I meditate with it on, I shower with it on. It's just really great, and I just feel like you should just look up frequency music. I search HZ frequency music, and then I search like sleep. There's different ones for different things, so I'll be like positivity, healing, shit like that. Totally recommend it. Do it. Number 3, I recorded this video already. You don't even know what the video is, but I'm about to tell you. The video is about I'm sorry for this long ass intro. I hate those. The video is about the pre-plucked hair, like the fake scalp and all that. I recorded a video on it. My energy was terrible. I had been in like a bad place for a little bit, but now I feel a lot better. I feel like extremely better, and like I had to redo it. So here we are. We're gonna do it right this time, and I did a lot. I put on a whole like wig cap. I did the whole cap method. Didn't need to do that because it's like a whole thing where you don't even have to do that. So we're gonna just do it over the right way. I want to make it easy on ourselves, like it's supposed to have been. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm about to just spray down my hair real quick and put it in a little ponytail and put my cap on, and then I'll come back. But I really just want to show you guys my hair because I haven't showed you guys my hair in like, I mean, besides like those videos with the ponytails and stuff, I haven't showed you my hair. So here's my hair. Okay, I'll be back. See you in 2 seconds. Okay, now that I've got my hair slicked down and under in a ponytail and my wig cap on, let me talk to you about this wig real quick. I just want to really apologize for that long ass intro. It's not really my judge, but like I'm in a really good mood, so I want to talk a lot, and so I'm just projecting onto y'all, so I'm sorry for that. But so yeah, this is a pre-plucked fake scalp illusion wig, and it comes with little clips. It comes with an elastic band. It has like little clips on it, like a bra strap, and then it also has the clips on the bottom, but I'll just leave that undone because yeah, I'll just use the big one like I'm supposed to. I did pluck it, can't lie to y'all. I'm really particular about how my frontals be looking on me, and the first time I put this on, I plucked it a little bit, but I didn't do a lot, and I ended up not liking it very much, and yeah, so I had to take matters to my own hands. It's not bad. Like if you're not picky and don't wear like, if you don't consistently wear frontals like I do, you can't really like tell the difference for real. But just, you know, me being me, I couldn't let it slide. I didn't pluck very much. It didn't have a lot of work for me to do, but usually with pre-plucked things, I like to pluck behind the pre-pluckedness so I can just blend out a little more, if that makes sense. That's what I did on this. I did it also on like, I really couldn't see what I was doing when I was doing it, so let's hope it looks good. I'm gonna clip these little elastic bands together, and then we can try it on. So far, the only thing I really don't like about this wig is that the little elastic bands, like my ear is like right here where it goes. So it's like my ear is covered up, and I want my ear out. Like I want my ear out. So like part of me just wants to like cut the elastic band out. Like I see how it could have been useful, but like I want to have this middle part, I think. And so in order for me to do that, I need to go ahead and just let go of this so I can cut. Okay, so I actually didn't end up having to cut it out. I just went ahead and cut off a little, is this the side? Yeah, this is the side. I ended up just cutting off a little bit on the edge here, a little bit of fabric on the thing, so I could still use the elastic band little clip, just I cut off the edge of it. So that's cool. I'm not mad at it. So let's throw it back on. And at this point, I realize my middle part is not in the middle. I'm going to start in the middle and then work my way down to the sides. You guys should know how this works. I've done this my nail a billion times. I will I'll leave a little fast forward version, like 10 seconds of what I do. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so I changed it to a middle part. This wig is 14 inches, I didn't say, but I just want to show you real quick the inspo for what I'm about to do. Really quick. Did y'all see this video of Gwen Stefani on Vogue? With her little flips on the side part? I don't know if that helped anything, but I'm gonna like insert a screenshot. I'm gonna screenshot it now. I'm gonna insert a screenshot like right here of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do that to my hair. I really liked it, and I like to like the blown out like look of it. I don't know, it just didn't look like flat. It looks like voluptuous and like just looks good. So now I'm gonna do my baby hairs off camera. Final look. I feel really 2000s, I feel really 90s, I feel really like not the current decade, and I love it so much. I just want to make this a little bit bigger. I added some Gotta Be right there, and I just want to make that like poof up a little bit. I really like this. I really like this. You don't have to do any of the baby hair stuff with this wig or anything. I just chose to because that's kind of bitch I am. You feel me? I just really love this look. I'm really feeling it. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Okay, well, I think that's all I had to say. Thank you so much for watching this video, and fuck my things always. My hot comb's always burning something. I can never just like not burn anything. My hot comb. Love this for me. Smells like burnt plastic in here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, leave a like. Let me know what you want to see next, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.